and thanks for watching the Quick and Easy Meal channel. On this channel we make suggestions of quick and easy meals that anyone can make. We're not complicated, we're not fancy, we're just quick and easy. Let's see what we have on store for today. Okay, today we are going to make chili. It's a fall day, the Buckeyes are playing, and so we're going to prepare a bowl of chili and watch the game. So the ingredients for our quick and easy chili is ground beef. We're going to have some guys come over, so we're going to actually double this, make it 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to use 2 cans of this, and we're going to cook this in a crock pot. So we're going to prepare it before the game, so when the guys get here, we're going to have hot chili ready to go. So we're going to 2 cans of red kidney beans, 2 cans of diced fire roasted, they taste really good, tomatoes, onions, garlic. I recommend you get real garlic, not to use garlic in a can or in a jar. It's just not as flavorful. I actually buy it like this, and because I usually use more than 2 garlics when I use garlic, and it has an individual package already peeled and everything, and then we'll just use that. We're gonna get green pepper, ground cumin, and chili powder, and it goes without mentioning salt and pepper. Okay, so it's going to be a quick, easy step. Get this going and get ready for the game. So let's get started. Basically, to make this super easy chili, it's going to really be about 2 steps. First, get your pan warmed up, and we'll mix the first 4 ingredients together. So we're going to put our hamburger in there, about 1.5 pounds, maybe a little more if you really like meaty chicken. And one of the shortcuts I take in scrambling that up is I use this here, which is a meat chopper. Makes things easier, and that's what we're all about here, making it quick and easy. So we're going to get this all ground up, then we'll add in the other ingredients, the other 4 ingredients, before we end up putting it into the crock pot. Next, we'll mix in the other ingredients, the onions. Let's do the onions next. Now, as you notice, the onions are cut nicely, but you know, I'm not that creative. I just use the food processor. So you don't have to be fancy, you just use this. I just use the food processor. You just slice it, put it in there, and cut it up, and it comes out in nice things like that. So this is another little trick to make things quick and easy. So that's the name of the game. So we also want to cut up our green pepper, same thing. Slice it, put it on the processor. Quick and easy. Everything is the same size. So you move along a lot quicker. You can get things done before the company arrives, you know what I'm saying? Now, the tricky one we'll use is the garlic. So like I said before, I usually buy it in a little pack already pre-peeled and everything, and then we use the garlic press. And we just put it in there like that, put it in there, and you squeeze it, see where it comes out there, then we'll just scrape it off. Of course, it's so easy, I do more than 2, and I end up making a bunch of garlic. So that's how I make a bunch of garlic. That's about a whole pack of these. That's a lot of garlic, but I love garlic. All right, so we'll get that in there and we'll get everything all mixed up. And guess what? We're almost done. Ain't that quick and easy? All right, you can add some of your salt and pepper now if you like. And let's let that cook for just a minute before we prepare it and put it into the crock pot. For step 2, we will mix everything into the crock pot. Now we're gonna do the kidney beans, and we will need to rinse them and drain them and add in the kidney beans. We'll get that all stirred up, get the kidney beans all stirred up, and then we'll add in our oven roasted tomatoes. And I do think oven roasted makes a difference. They really taste good. You can do regular diced tomatoes, but I really prefer roasted. And get this all stirred up. You're almost done. Quick and easy. Next, you want to add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Get that all mixed in there. And then you want to add in a teaspoon of ground cumin. Now, depending on when you want your meal ready or when the game starts in this case, you can either cook this for 8 hours on low, or you can cook it quickly on high for 4 hours. So 8 or 4 hours is your choice. I'm going to do 4 hours. Give me some time to quickly clean the house before the guests arrive. So, yeah. 4 hours, put the lid on, and let's get busy. Okay, 4 hours later, let's see what we have. Don't that look good? Now you can make it more tomato-y with tomato paste, but I like it like this. So you could add that. All right, let's get it going. I gotta test it out before the guys get here. Okay, there you go, a nice bowl of chili on a cold fall day, waiting for the OSU Buckeyes to play. Some people like a bowl of chili just like that. Some like it with crackers. I like it with wheat bread and butter. And some people like it with Mexican cheese. So our 3-alarm cheese can go on top. Don't that look good? All right, thank you for watching. Go Bucks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this meal, and I hope you enjoy the OSU Buckeyes this season. Go Bucks. Beat everybody.